not a nail infection? Here's a quick 10-step solution to heal your nails naturally. Start by washing your hands thoroughly with soap and water to keep the area clean. Then, trim the infected nail carefully to remove any damaged edges. Soak your nails in warm salt water for a few minutes to reduce swelling and bacteria, and gently pat them dry with a clean towel. Apply an antifungal ointment or cream directly to the infected area. And for a natural remedy, add a drop of tea tree oil, which has strong antifungal properties. Cover the nail with a clean bandage to protect it. And when doing chores, wear breathable gloves to avoid harsh chemicals or moisture. Repeat this simple routine daily until your nails are fully healed. Soon, you'll enjoy healthy, clean nails again. And remember, always consult a doctor if the infection worsens. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Like and share it, please. Make yourself shine with us.